Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an innovative product that can enhance your driving experience and keep you safe on the road. We discovered the AINAVI Mini 2K Dashcam, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The AINAVI Mini 2K Dashcam is a compact car camera designed to provide high-quality recording and peace of mind while you drive. With this dashcam, you get an impressive 2K resolution, ensuring that you capture every detail on the road, from license plates to unexpected incidents. Its sleek and hidden design allows for a discreet installation, which not only helps maintain your car's aesthetics but also reduces the risk of theft. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its built-in Wi-Fi and App Control. This means you can view, download, and share your recordings instantly without the hassle of removing the SD card. The companion app allows you to manage your videos and adjust settings directly from your smartphone, making it incredibly user-friendly. Just keep in mind that the SD card is sold separately, so be sure to pick one up. Another important feature is the G-sensor collision detection. This advanced technology automatically locks and protects critical footage when it detects sudden impacts or vibrations. This ensures that important files are not overwritten during loop recording, giving you the security of knowing that your crucial evidence is safely stored. The AINAVI Mini Dashcam also offers smart loop recording, which supports video loops of 1, 3, or 5 minutes. This means that even when your storage is full, older files will be automatically overwritten while any locked emergency videos remain protected. This feature ensures continuous recording without you having to worry about manually managing your storage. For those who want to monitor their vehicle around the clock, the dashcam includes a 24-hour parking mode, but you'll need an additional hardware kit for this feature. When your vehicle is powered off, the camera continues to monitor the surroundings in time-lapse mode, capturing any incidents that may occur, such as scratches or break-ins. So, who is this dashcam suitable for? If you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just someone who wants to add an extra layer of safety to their vehicle, the AINAVI Mini 2K Dashcam is an excellent choice. It's perfect for anyone who values security and wants to ensure they have video evidence in case of an accident or an unexpected event. In practical use cases, imagine driving on a busy highway and suddenly encountering a reckless driver. With this dashcam, you have a reliable recording that can help you if you ever need to file a claim or report an incident. Additionally, if you park your car in a public space, the parking mode provides peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle is being monitored even when you're not around. In summary, the AINAVI Mini 2K Dashcam offers high-quality recording, convenient app control, and essential safety features, making it an ideal companion for any driver looking to enhance their safety on the road. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.